how to find Instagram live videos. The first thing what you need to do is going to your profile selection right here, then tap on your icon session, which is on the first side with that plus icon. Go on the fifth selection, which is live session. Just go for it, take that live on, get the audience and all that stuff. Start your live stream right now. Firstly, it needs to check your internet connection. Right after you get done with that selection, simply what you're gonna do, you're gonna simply add a guest in your live video if you want, or simply you can share that live session. I'm gonna share it to this and to this person. Just go done. And after you got ready with that session selection, what is the main point right here? It is going to the main site, which is by just going and video. Just go. You can view the insights if you want for the video, but I'm not gonna do it because for me this is not so much important. I have got my whole site. Go Discord media, go Discord again, and right now simply you need to get to your main point. For example, right now if you scroll on the right side and get right here on that site selection that you have got, send the live video, you can simply watch it if you got into the right point, but in this case we are not watching it because it's not on our site selection.